So hello everyone, Mladen here from MTech, and today we are going to finally install the PSU I bought. It's Corsair Rm750X, and the thing why I didn't install it before is that I needed a special adapter for my mainboard from Acer mainboard that uses 12-pin connector, which is not a standard one. Standard one is 24 or 20 pins. So we needed to buy an adapter. Adapter arrived today, and we will do the PSU install plus cable management inside this bad boy right now. So I'm going to turn myself into a superhuman again and speed up this, and hopefully the end product will be really good and what I imagined it would be. So let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade, going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way.
Alright guys, I'm all sweaty. I pulled it, but it was a lot of hassle. So the lesson for today is don't try to mod something that you're not sure if it's going to work. So try to research first, try to measure everything first. If I just measured my old PSU and this place for the PSU here in this inside this case, I would know that this would probably won't fit and that it wasn't going to work. In the end, as you tell, I managed to pull it out somehow, but it was a lot of hassle. I spent like an hour trying to connect the PSU, place it and connect it. So yeah, don't try to mod something if you don't do the research first, because it's going to be like this. Instead of having like 10-minute job, you'll have an hour of hassle, and maybe in the end it won't work. And in one moment I thought I'm going to give up and order a new case. Like I went to Amazon, tried to order NZXT case, but yeah, I managed to pull it out somehow. In the end, I am not sure how, but I managed to pull it, which is all good. And I love that feeling of the success when you do something after a lot of hassle. But I'm very tired, so let's try to crack on the cable management. Let's finish it fast and connect everything and see if it works. Okay guys, so this should be it. In terms of cable management, could it be better? In terms of space available inside this case? I think not, and I think we did a great job here. And yeah, the thing is that this case is pretty small, and I have a massive graphics card and a massive CPU, which I managed to pull in. So let's give it some power and see if it works or not. Okay, so we plug the cable. Let's just turn this on and see if the GPU, yeah, it gives light, it has signal, so I think we're all good, it works. Let's just turn it on and test it out and see how it performs. Alright, so we cleaned everything up. As you know, it was a hassle, but I think it's a satisfactory moment when you press the power button, and let's see if it will turn on, or okay, goes on. Let's wait. Monitor goes on, peripheral goes on. Okay, it turns on. Let's just see if it. I think we need to go into the BIOS to disable onboard graphics card and to enable the Asus one, because it always does that when you disconnect it and connect it again. So you need to go to the BIOS to disable it. And okay, so anyway, I think I missed my chance to go into the BIOS for the first time, so we need to wait for it to boot up and then restart it and then go into the BIOS, and then I want to see its performance, but it seems very quiet. I mean, it was quiet before, but I think this one is more quiet than the one I had already. So it's a good thing. I can barely hear that there's PC at all. Like nothing. Nice. That's a good thing. So it works. Basically it works. I'll do some tests later, maybe place it on my social media like Instagram or something like that, just to give you an idea of the product itself and maybe help you out if you want to buy it. And this is basically it. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all for going through the hassle with me, and it was a pleasure that in the end I managed to pull everything out, and in the end it is a pleasure that everything works. So have a great day and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
I feel paralyzed.